Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 7 of Vlogmas, and I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look today that I created. I like to call this look the Ice Princess. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. And that is it, guys, on how to create this look. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to see further content I will be doing for the month of December for the Vlogmas challenge. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye!